In this lecture, we'll do this example to see whether or not the equation given right here is the equation of a circle. If it is, give the center and the radius of the circle. It appears that this equation looks like the equation of a circle because the signs of x squared and y squared both are positive, and the coefficients of x squared and y squared are equal. So, step 1, we want to divide every 10 by 8. Make the coefficient of x squared and y squared be 1. So, every 10 divided by 8. Okay. Now, you can see that 8 divided by 8, that's 1. So 1 times x squared is x squared. And 72 divided by 8, that's 9. So you make plus 9, and then x. And here is 8 divided by 8, so you have a plus y squared. Okay, because 8 divided by 8 is 1. So, the given equation was 24 y. That's 24y. Okay. Now, 24 divided by 8, which is 3, and you have a negative, so negative 3y. Now, here, 332 divided by 8, let me reduce this a little bit. Reduce both divided by 2, numerator and denominator. So we will know that 332 divided by 2, we know that's 161. Okay. See, let's get our calculator right here. Move this a little bit to the right, and my calculator is here. Okay, so you have 332 divided by 2. That's not 161, it's 166. Okay, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's all on the left. Right hand side, 0 divided by 8 is still 0. Alright, now that is first step. You divide every term by 8. Now you want to do is make this part be a complete square about x. This part will be a complete square about y. So, to make a complete square, you want to do is divide 9 by 2 and then square it. Okay, so basically you want to add this one. Let's see if I can use a different color to do that. Okay. So basically, if you add 9/2 squared on the left, you have to add 9/2 squared on the right. Similarly, this one, you want to choose half of the coefficient 3 and then square it. So basically you want to add is 3/2 squared. So you always choose half of the coefficient x, square it. Always choose half of the coefficient y, square it. Again, don't forget to add another one on the right. So in this way, you add the same number on the equation on two sides and still make the equation be balanced. Okay. Now, you can organize these 3 terms together and these 3 terms together. Alright? So, these 3 terms together is a complete square, which is x plus 9/2 squared. And these 3 terms together will be y minus 3/2 squared. And then add these two together. Remember, here is negative, so it determines the symbol right here. And here is positive, it determines the symbol positive right here. We like to move the constant, this one, to the right-hand side. Okay? So, if you want to do that, then you add 166/4 and then plus 166/4 on two sides. You may then cancel these two. Alright, we know 9/2 is 81/4 because you square it. Okay, 3/2 squared is 9/4 because you square both numerator and denominator. Alright, now equals, those are cancelled. Alright, so you then have a 166 plus 81 plus 9. Okay, so you want to add 166 plus 81 plus 9. You add together. Yeah, that's 256. Denominators are all 4. So you put 4 right here. So 256 divided by 4, that's 64. Okay. So you may write 64 right here. But we know 64 is what? Is 8 squared. Okay. 64 is 8 squared. Okay, that's right-hand side. Left-hand side, you see x plus 9/2, so is x minus negative 9/2 and then squared. And then here is y minus 3 over 2 and then squared. Okay. Now the equation this equation can be changed to this one. So the equation is a circle equation. Okay. The center, where is the center? The center is negative 9 over 2 as x coordinate. Y coordinate is 3 over 2. The radius, yep, is what? Is 8. Don't put 64 over there. Alright, so the difficult part is to make the complete square and make all the things balanced. You may want to review that. I'll see you next time.